Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here for me from the World Bank. I'm the Regional Vice President for Europe and Central Asia, and we just completed a very constructive meeting with His Excellency the President and the members of the Cabinet. We discussed many areas, including the cooperation between Tajikistan and the World Bank, with a particular focus on the World Bank's support during the COVID-19 crisis and pandemic, where the World Bank has provided early response to Tajikistan to support the strengthening of the healthcare system, as well as social safety net systems for those who need it the most. So families to have extra income and extra allowances during this hardship time. Tajikistan was one of the first countries in the region to take advantage of the World Bank Fast Track facility to provide this support. We also very recently provided additional resources to help on the procurement and deployment of vaccines in Tajikistan. This is also part of the World Bank's global effort and support to help countries during this crisis strengthen healthcare systems, strengthen the support to families who need it the most, and roll out vaccines as fast as possible. In addition to our quick response, we also focused on reforms. In addition to the emergency response, we also discussed reforms to support a quick economic recovery from the crisis. This focused on three specific areas: the importance of implementing and executing the reforms in the tax administration sector. This tax administration reform is aimed to both mobilize resources but also provide an enabling environment for greater private sector investment and participation in the economy. We also discussed the significant positive potential in Tajikistan to further develop clean energy, both for Tajikistan but also for the greater region. This includes, of course, both hydropower, of which Tajikistan has some of the most impressive resources in the world, but also developing the potential of solar power, as many countries around the world are doing. And finally, digitization and telecommunications reform in order to support both economic functions as well as entrepreneurial functions as well as social services. In conclusion, it was a very constructive meeting. We have a very significant program here in Tajikistan, and I very much look forward to continuing to support with large-scale technical and financial resources to make sure that Tajikistan comes out of this crisis well and also implements positive reforms for its population and to attract investments. And the World Bank continues to be a strong partner to Tajikistan to reduce poverty and increase shared prosperity. Thank you very much.